you don't even gotta pet me. I just want to look at you real quick. All right, bet. He cool, yeah. He could about walk in here. He go turn around. Yeah, bro, he cool. Yeah, bro, you hear me walking this bitch, you know what I'm saying? Get to kicking in and shit like that. That nigga Evan got 2 cats. You hear me? One of them don't remember me, nigga. One of that nigga Evan cats don't remember me, bro. So it really be like when I first pulled up on him, he was a baby. We was playing. And what it be like, we'll be like how niggas are slapbox. I'm slapboxing with him.
Yeah.
Cause that cat is a nigga at essence. Oh God, bro. Every got 2 nigga cats. No. That's like a niggas at essence and be like.
Got one cat. That's, got a wild cat.